You brought up her name to Spice, your good friend. That again, everybody, a lot of people again on the internet bashes. You say, when are you getting the combination? When do you get? First of all, you guys collaborated years ago.
Some people don't really know still.
Okay, but you guys did. Well, when are you getting it? Now, Spice said, yeah, you guys want a collaboration. Watch, I'm going to do one better. It's going to be Spice, Pamputtae, and Jada Kingdom.
Bad collab, superhero, bad collab.
How did that collaboration come around?
You know, me and Spice we do something a long time. My Spice link me and say, Mama, time, sister, time and now. And now is the time, and she send me the thing and whatever. But me actually the kind of busy and I work plan, so I'm not going to think. So afterwards, when I free up now, I just shut it like a matic and send it to her. And then afterwards, she tell me, say, me, you and Jada, and I say, yeah.
Okay, so when you first got it, Jada's part wasn't on it yet.
I don't know. Probably it was she and Jada before too. Can be. You understand? Me don't know.
But you know,
But it doesn't really matter who first or who last. The song is a good song. Because I don't really watch them thing then. For instance, I meet all rhythm and them tell me, say, yo, I am 10 female. I got the pan it. Me is not like, I'm sorry, so me never go order or that girl I got the pan it, me got this, me got that or. Me don't want to see the pan it. Me is not like that type of person. Once you give me the rhythm, me got eat it up. Like me never vice before. Me got eat it up like my hungry like a 30 days and 30 nights me not eat for. When you give me collab, me no joke. So when you come to me with a rhythm and a collab, you have to know you approach me with it. Because Pamputtae come, because it's true. Me I put in the work and some people are like them a seat and them bash me all along. Like them a seat. So when them give me collab, when me know them I go see, me I go eat it up. Me I go deal with it wicked and show me say me a bad artist. So when I not talk and I chat up on the mouth and I say this and I say that, when I maybe not see the singles them on put no, them I take the time out for subscribe to my channel. Them I take the time out for pre my thing them and download my thing them and buy my thing them. But them this when the collab them comes along, them more accept it and print more. So when I get the rhythm them for do the collab, it not gonna be a nice thing, it not gonna be a normal something. Pamputtae have thump it up, stab it up, beat it up, wrap it up, chop it up, and damage it, discombobulate it. So when you hear me, I say, no man, Pamputtae look like she want, but I know that. I know, try me not out do nobody. I just me that.
You're doing your work.
I'm doing my work.
Yeah.
I never yet try to say, oh, me go order or competition. I don't really follow up them things. I just do me because this is me.
100%.
100% me. Me I miss 100% of dancehall. Me go gear it.
What's
like
a
how you forget
dancehall?
it. Yeah.
You understand? Because even, okay, cool. Songs out, so then you know the next question everybody's going to be asking. When are we getting the visuals?
Honestly, we're working on it, because at the end of the day, you know, Spice and Jada, they in the US. Me not really have my US work permit as yet, so me I try work on it to get it so we can go there in a one place. Because just like how them get the song and them love it, the video, when the video, I'll know me, Spice and Jada don't really start with the real promotion yet, you know. Because you know, music, you know, alright, you see music or something, music not dead. I who sing music, dead left music. And I eat more on the artists them and people for acknowledge. So, you see when you go so back this month and you at this month, you do a one song or two song and hit at. And then you hear the same stuff people in the pan. The other month, them say, oh, you know, at again, when new artists come out, people for stop saying that. Stop say people know this and people know that. Remember, music is something when not dead. Music put you in a different genre, vibes, different genre, mood. So your music not dead. So we the artists dead left music.
What it is with a lot of the artists too, because especially how things are so fast, a lot of you guys are promoting, campaigning the song like how you used to one time. Now it's just we'll put it out 3 weeks, okay, get some click views, and that's it. There's no much campaigning.
Yeah, because social media, everybody, all football's different. Look on Gully Bob. Him just in at the gully, then put the video upon him and him just saying, every girl want to walk off for me or gully, whatever. And him just bust and him start travel and do him thing and stuff like that. The music just every minute it turn. Life just turn. Life come with changes. So every year, every month, every week, every day, music changes. A different set of artists come with different set of things. So me as the artist, I say, oh, them young artists are this and that. No, I'm not like that. I'm not gonna say, them young artists I need to do this or whatever. My time, all the artists are for them time, all the artists was for them time. So music just change as you go along, change. So it's either you change with it or you leave it.
100%.
You understand what I say? Because I just all life set to it up. What we are gonna do?
You know, because I know that I seen from, I think when you did Sting 2022, you and Jada were backstage linking from back then. I remember seeing the video with you and Jada Kingdom linking back then.
You see a video with that?
Of course, you guys were back there taking pictures, linking.
But always, you know, sometimes things them happen and you know, it take years, you know, sometimes you don't remember. Like, sometimes that's some people and they must say, you remember me from so on, so sometimes you don't remember. But we just never stop work and we not stop, you know. I always have a clean heart too. I'm going to hear your mouth when they mess with me and me just lash out. So, but me is not the type of person who come follow up nobody. Me no box no food out on nobody's mouth. Or when nobody call me and say, what you think about so and so? When me not talk, book her. Book her, make she do what she do. Book him, make them do what them do. Because me not for be the best friend for share a stage.
We're here to work.
You understand? So, I just work and put in my thing. You have your style and your craft different from my style and my craft. Everybody do them thing different. So, I just always just put in the work, trust the process and believe and have faith.
Just like a superhero.
That is it, I am.
You understand?
That's a superhero.
Listen. So, okay, so you guys have the collaboration out right now, so people are going to stop talking. Music videos on its way, but you said the only thing is you guys are trying to coordinate.
we are trying to fix things. We are trying to fix it the best way.
But I know 2011 was the last time you had your US visa.
Yeah.
You understand? Is that something you're still working on? What's the hold up with the visa? That's like 13 years now.
Yeah, my apply and I still not get through and stuff like that. At first, when me did a go for my visitor's visa, you know, them stop me and say, you know, them think, cause me that my work permit I need it up. So me that travel for my visitor's visa, so them stop me and say, you know, them see flyer or something, say me, you know, like me I go work on it or something. And thing like that. But let me tell you though, you see, sometime too, some things happen for a reason and you have to learn from some things. Because me I come here go cool up, but at the end of the day, people put my picture up on flyer. And that's not right. You understand? So me have to say these things for artists really like, hey, consideration or acknowledge it. And people for stop it. But as when me say, some things happen for you to learn. Learn. And don't go make the silly mistake again or make the body do nothing where, you know, with them nothing do or whatever. You understand what I say? Yeah. But I got on time still.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.